We have discussed the 5 good money habits that will make you rich, so keep watching this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Invest for worth. Keep in mind that the initial attraction to a product often surpasses any future feelings you may have for it. If you try something on and find it merely acceptable, it's unlikely that your opinion will improve once you return home. Prioritizing quality in your purchases is an effective strategy to avoid the pitfalls of buyer's remorse. By focusing on high-quality purchases, you can ensure that each item in your possession brings you satisfaction, allowing you to reflect on your spending without any feelings of regret. To enhance your approach, view all your purchases as strategic investments. When you anticipate regular use of an item or plan to keep it for an extended period, it is prudent to allocate funds towards a high-quality, durable choice. This may encompass apparel, technology, groceries, furnishings, and household devices. Additionally, this reasoning can be extended to assets you might usually view as investments, including your residence and vehicle. Alternatively, if you find yourself in a situation where you need to purchase an item for a one-time use, like a plain white t-shirt for a volunteering event, it may be prudent to opt for a cost-effective option that you can easily dispose of after its intended use. Developing this habit may require some time, but it's important to consider the long-term implications of every purchase you make. Opting for the least expensive option during your shopping can often lead to issues such as breakage or defects. This could result in the necessity of making a second purchase for the same item. It's important to avoid spending on low-quality items, as this can lead to additional costs for replacements down the line. Investing in durable items is a wise choice, as it prevents the need for frequent replacements and ultimately saves you money in the long run. If you're uncertain about which items will provide the greatest value for your investment, consider visiting Consumer Reports' website or reading the customer reviews and comments. This resource is widely recognized for its comprehensive testing of products, providing detailed reviews and rankings based on various criteria. This approach will help you prevent unnecessary expenditures on high-priced items, under the assumption that a higher cost equates to superior quality. Frequently, the most advantageous options are located in a balanced position. Number 2. Evaluate options for a significant investment. It's essential to conduct thorough research prior to making a substantial purchase, ensuring you compare prices across various websites for the best deal. For higher value purchases, it's crucial to invest time in thoroughly exploring your options. This extends beyond mere physical transactions. It's important to dedicate some time to compare options for vacations, insurance rates, and credit card rewards programs. Additionally, it's important to review the item's negative ratings to understand the aspects that may not have met customer expectations. When you observe a recurring theme in negative feedback, it's essential to weigh that perspective carefully before proceeding with your purchase decision. Will their feedback influence your criteria for the product? This will provide you with a clear understanding of the experience of owning this product. To ensure a comprehensive evaluation, consider developing a spreadsheet that outlines and contrasts the key features of the items you deem most significant. Having all the relevant information at your disposal will empower you to make informed decisions. There are applications available that can assist you in saving money while shopping online. The Honey browser extension efficiently identifies savings opportunities while you shop online. Investing time in thorough research can result in significant savings in the future. Do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more money habits in detail. Number 3. Steer clear of impulsive purchases. Contemporary sales strategies often focus on persuading individuals to purchase items that may not align with their actual needs or desires, yet create a sense of urgency that compels them to buy in the moment. This is the rationale behind the placement of chocolates and candies near the checkout in grocery stores. These sales resonate with your emotions. I require chocolate. When chocolate may have been the least of your concerns until it caught your eye in the checkout line. Emotional spending frequently stems from persuasive sales tactics and can significantly contribute to overall expenses. Consider the iPhone as a case in point. Many knowledgeable individuals in the tech space would suggest that while the iPhone performs adequately, there are often superior alternatives available that come at a lower price point than the latest model. While advertisements and peer purchases may suggest that acquiring an iPhone is the optimal choice, it's essential to evaluate your personal financial situation and needs before making such a decision. However, had you taken a moment to evaluate your options, you might have concluded that a new mobile device was unnecessary, or that you could have opted for a more cost-effective brand that offers similar functionality. Number 4. Strategize your meal planning. Failing to plan in advance frequently leads individuals to make hasty choices, such as opting for fast food or engaging in impulse purchases. These decisions can have detrimental effects not only on their financial well-being, but also on their physical health. Failing to plan your daily nutrition can lead to impulsive choices, such as grabbing a quick burger and fries at the last minute. When hunger strikes, it's tempting to reach for whatever is readily available, but this often leads to choices that may not be beneficial for your well-being. Allocating time each Sunday to strategize your meals for the upcoming week can effectively mitigate this issue. Every Sunday, review your weekly schedule to determine the number of meals you'll prepare at home versus those you'll dine out for. Consider maximizing your meal efficiency by incorporating leftovers from dinner into your lunch or selecting a versatile ingredient that can be utilized in multiple meals. Research the necessary ingredients and seek out the most cost-effective options to prepare nutritious and budget-friendly meals in the comfort of your home. Number 5. Adhere to the plan. Adhering to a food list can appear straightforward when you think about enhancing your financial practices. But how challenging can it be to create a shopping list and adhere to it? It is important to be mindful while navigating the grocery store, as it can be tempting to add items to your cart that may seem appealing at the moment, yet are not essential to your needs. Establishing a routine of shopping exclusively from your list can significantly reduce the chances of unnecessary expenditures on items that do not contribute to your financial goals. This will benefit both your finances and your health. Prior to heading to the store, take a moment to assess your refrigerator and evaluate the meals you have scheduled for the week. Compile a list exclusively of the items that are currently absent from your kitchen. This approach will help you avoid accumulating unnecessary ingredients or items that you do not require. It is advisable to avoid visiting the grocery store on an empty stomach. When experiencing hunger, individuals often gravitate towards foods that are higher in calories, leading them to believe that these choices will fulfill their nutritional needs. When you find yourself hungry after a long period without food, it's natural to gravitate towards more indulgent options, such as pizza, rather than healthier choices like a head of lettuce. Shopping for groceries on an empty stomach can lead to impulsive purchases of unhealthy items, as well as an overall increase in the quantity of food bought that may not be necessary. Numerous individuals allocate a significant portion of their hard-earned income to last-minute purchases. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the things that are destroying the middle class. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 10,000 subscribers goal.